We're here doing some quick and easy meal prep for a 3-day hike. We've just picked up some things from the grocery and then we're going to show you how to get the dehydrator involved for some extra flavour and possibly nutrition. Jury's out on nutritional value here. So let's see what we've got. Why is Chris drinking beer my way?
You gonna dehydrate that beer?
No.
So this is what we're starting with. We've got some hot drink stuff, breakfast stuff, snacks, lunches, dinners, and motivational candy. Let's get prepping.
So for breakfast, we are doing bircher. This is something we make at home, just pick up a whole bunch of stuff from the Whole Foods store. But you can find heaps of recipes online or you can pick up some pre-made stuff as well. I usually do about half a cup for me and maybe a bit more than half a cup for Chris. This is nice and easy on the trail. You just put it into soak overnight. We've got these great Kathmandu bowls that have a lid on them. And then in the morning, they're ready to go for a quick getaway in the morning. Next must have in the morning is coffee. So we usually just take instant and enough for the 3 mornings and I guess an extra. With the coffee comes milk. We just use milk powder and just bag some of that up, however much you think you use. So for lunch, we're just gonna do some wraps with peanut butter. We don't usually take bulky or fresh food, but because it's a short hike, we've got some fresh apples as well, which is nice, doesn't take up too much room. And we're taking some tasty sticks that I'm gonna bag up. Snack-wise, we're gonna take some muesli bars, some chocolate sultanas, and some trail mix. Let's bag it up. A lot of the time when we're hiking, we actually don't take designated lunches. We'll take a lot of snacks and then snack throughout the day. But on a hike like this, where we just want it to be simple and easy, we've got a little bit more space and weight to play with. We can take a bit more substantial lunches along with us. So that's snacks. I may count this as snacks as well, but for us, this falls into its own category. It's motivational candy. Candy taps.
A lot of these vegetables say to dehydrate at different temperatures and for different lengths of time. But to make it easy, we're just chucking them all in overnight, putting it on, going to bed, waking up in the morning, and it's done. So this is what we're left with after dehydrating. I've got some mushrooms, red onion, broccoli, peas and corn, and carrots. For one dinner, I've just got a basic packet pasta. I've just rebagged that into a Ziploc bag. Then in go the veggies. So for this one, I'm gonna pop in half of the broccoli, or just bit of the broccoli, I guess. Just gonna chuck in all of the carrot and about half of the peas and corn. Maybe a bit more broccoli. So that's what we've got in that one. So we've got the dehydrated vegetables pasta here. I'm just gonna chuck it into 600 mils of water. So we're gonna let that sit and soak for 10 minutes and then we're gonna bring it to the boil and then simmer about 2 to 5 minutes until the pasta is tender and then let it sit covered for another 2 to 5 minutes before eating.
For the other meal, I have some packet rice. Usually we like to make our own risotto, but nice and quick and easy, we're just gonna do packet one this time. And our remaining veg is just gonna go in with the risotto. So this is our rice that we've done with the dehydrated veggies. That's just gonna go into soak for 10 minutes in about 2 cups of water. And then we're gonna do the same thing we did the other night, bring it to the boil and then boil and simmer for 2 minutes and sit for another 2 to 5 minutes before eating. There we have it. We've got breakfast, lunch, snacks, and 2 better tasting, potentially more nutritious dinners with the help of the dehydrator. We're just gonna pack all of this up across 2 dry bags and then split it up between Chris and I's bags. And that was how to do easy and quick meal prep for a short multi-day hike.